Variables and data types. Variable is a location in memory that holds a value that can change while the program runs. Think of it kind of like a box where we store data. We give it a name and the computer uses that name to keep track of the data inside. And a data type tells the computer what kind of data we're storing in a variable and how much memory we should use. So we have 4 different characters representing the 4 different types of data. The first one is data type int, represented by max. This data type stores whole numbers, and for example, it's like the number of students in a room. You can't have 26.5 students in a room. It has to be 26 or 27. So as long as it's a whole number, it can be -7, 2, 200, 1000, anything. The next data type is float, and this stores decimal and is more precise and is represented by Bob. For example, money would be of the data type float since it's very precise and you can have like cents and everything, and like GPA is really precise. The next data type is char, and this stores letters. For example, like letter grades, A, B, C, D, or F, and this is represented by Shay. And then, for example, what data type will weight have? Since weight can, it's not discontinuous, it would be Bob, who represents float, since it can be very precise. You can be like 110.25 pounds. Right or wrong answer. This one would be Lily, who represents bool, true or right, true or false, because it's either right or wrong. There's nothing in between. And lastly, we have age, which would be Max, who represents int, since when we count age, we kind of just go 14, 15, 16, and we usually don't do like 14.75 years old.